Rate as a noun, meaning 1. The speed at which something happens or changes, or the amount or number of times it happens or changes in a particular period. Although she's recovering from her illness, her rate of progress is quite slow. Although she's recovering from her illness, her rate of progress is quite slow. The taxi was going at a tremendous rate. The taxi was going at a tremendous rate. Meaning 2. An amount or level of payment. We agreed a rate with the painter before he started work. We agreed a rate with the painter before he started work. Rate as a verb. Meaning to judge the value or character of someone or something. How do you rate him as a football player? How do you rate him as a football player? Rate as a suffix. Meaning used with words such as first, second, etc. to show how good you think something is. His suggestions always are first rate. His suggestions always are first rate.